Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install app from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to apps. Go down, go to special app access. Then go down, tap on install unknown apps. Here you can see list of apps. From this list, let me set Google Chrome browser. I am going to allow Google Chrome browser to download and install Android APK file from unknown source. Tap here, done. After this, using Google Chrome browser, I can download and install Android APK file from unknown source without any error. Let me go back. Similarly, we can set same permission to other apps in the list. For example, go to Files app. I can allow Files app to download and install Android APK file from unknown source. Okay, so this way we can allow install app from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.